By the end of this video, you will know how to add notes to an invoice in Wave. Start by logging into Wave with your account credentials. Once you are signed in, wait for the dashboard to load so you can move through the menu without missing anything on the screen. From the main navigation, go to Sales and Payments, then select Invoices. This opens the area where your existing invoices are listed. Depending on how many invoices you have, you may see a full list right away or need a moment for the page to finish loading. Find the invoice where you want to add notes, look through the invoice list, and select the correct one before making any changes. If you work with several invoices that look similar, take a second to confirm you are on the right entry so the note is added to the intended invoice. Next to that invoice, click the Actions drop-down. From the menu that appears, choose Edit. This opens the invoice in edit mode, where you can update the details that appear on the document. Once the invoice editor is open, scroll down through the invoice fields until you reach the Notes and Terms section. This section is where you can include extra information that should appear on the invoice. The wording you add here can be used for a note to the customer, additional context about the invoice, or any terms you want displayed with it. Click into the Notes and Terms area, then enter the note or additional information you want to include. Type the content exactly as you want it to appear on the invoice. If you are adding details for the customer to read, make sure the wording is clear and placed in the appropriate field before saving. After the note has been entered, click Save and Continue. This saves the updated invoice with the new notes included. If the page takes a moment to respond, give it a second to finish processing before navigating away. At this stage, the invoice remains the same except for the addition you just made in the Notes and Terms section. If you need to review what you entered, you can look over the invoice details after saving to confirm the text appears as expected. This process is useful whenever an invoice needs extra written information beyond the standard line items and totals. The main actions are locating the correct invoice, opening the edit view, adding your text in the Notes and Terms section, and saving the update so the change is applied to that invoice record. Your invoice in Wave now includes the note you added in the Notes and Terms section.